Welcome to Catherine the Paint. How are you guys doing today? I am going to do this 8x8 gallery wrapped canvas in the bloom technique. And I have a bunch of paints mixed up here. Got quite a mess actually. Let's see. So I have Liquitex Basics Turquoise and Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua Green. So we're here. This orange is one I mixed from Liquitex Basics Primary Yellow and Arteza Scarlet, Scarlet Red. Sorry guys, I still have a cough. And this is Arteza's Gold. And this is Northern Lights from Primary Elements for a little bit of bling, that and the gold. All right, so I've already put down my pillow paint. I am going to do several, I think I will do 4. No, I'm gonna start with 3 puddles and then I may add a couple after I've stretched it once. So let's just get going. I think I will do all 3 of them with different first colors. I figure I will definitely have to do a couple of, at least 2 more blooms after I start stretching it. I am actually going to try and make a box for for a Lazy Susan and spin a bloom out. I saw Erica Hughes do that today and that just made me really want to, nothing has made me want to spin a painting. I've seen a bunch of people do it until I saw Erica Hughes do the bloom today and I was just like, oh my gosh, I would like to do that. So I already have a Lazy Susan that a friend of mine gave me, my best friend, like known her since I was 2. And she gave me one for my birthday. I told her I was going to use it in my art, but it's really pretty. So I haven't yet because I don't want to mess it up. But you know. Okay, let's see. Got a few bubbles I need to pop real quick. Okay, all right. I think I'm going to start with this one right here. Put my cell activator down. Give it a blow. Whoa, my hair's wanting to go in it. All right. Okay, that's gonna be good. I think I will do this one next. Okay. we got some cell action going on up in here. So now we need to give it a minute to rise back up to the top. I am loving that those greens and blues working together. There's not a whole lot of orange on there anymore. I guess just here. So if I add something, I might add in something that has more of the orange. There's lots of gold. It's looking pretty. Just checking for bubbles. There's a few. Okay. It's almost risen back up. There's just right here. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera. Right here and right there. Still needs to level out. All right, I'm gonna get the paint out of the way. All right. Seems to be a lot of extra paint right here, so I will use that to pull this off. There we go. Really loving these colors. All right, just trying to get some off over here. Okay, bring it back to the middle. Okay. Maybe I want to go that way a little bit. I know I want to go this way, but I think just a little bit that way and then way more this way. So let's do that first. Okay. Really did not want to lose all that selection. I don't think I did though, so just some of it. Okay. Not sure how much further it's going to go over here, maybe. I really, really love it. I could leave it the way it is, maybe just go a little bit more, or I could put a bloom right there, or maybe a bloom here. I don't know. I think I'm going to try to tilt just a little bit more this way and see. Then I can always go ahead and put a bloom there if I want. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, well, now I don't want a bloom there. I want a bloom here, I'm thinking. I think maybe with an orange on bottom. Let's just do it. I'm just going to go for it. Some of the Northern Lights for the iridescent bling. And then I think a little gold or more orange. Maybe a little more orange and then gold. How about that? There we go. Just a dot. Okay. Okay. Wow, that is really, really pretty. All right, I'm going to let that rise back up. All right, so now I'm wondering if I should put a little one here and maybe one there. Should I keep going or? I think I'm going to put one right there. I really want to play with it this time, so. All right, so it's not going to be a huge one. Whoa. All right. Well, it's definitely out of balance, but if I stretch it, will it come back into balance or do I need to put more blooms? That's the question. It's the $1 million question. All right. The motto tonight is keep on going. Okay, there we go. More blooming. Okay. All right, this is where we're at. We're gonna let that rise up and then we will start tilting again. All right. I think I really like this. I'm not even sure which way is up. I think I like it this way. All right, guys, we need to see how this dries. So, all right, let's go in for some close-ups. Here is the lower right corner. Some middle action going on there. Up to the upper right corner. Over to the upper left corner. Look at that. And there is the lower left corner. There is a lot of great, interesting lacing in this. I'm loving the colors. Oh, it's so pretty. Yay! Yes, I am loving this one. All right, guys. I will probably, I'll get the dried results before I post this. So give me a minute and I'll be back. All right, here is a quick dried results to show you that all those gorgeous cells are still there. So pretty. Really happy with this. I think the colors are absolutely gorgeous. So much fun. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.